Hello there. Okay, so I can film for 6 minutes now. Okay, I got a cup full of coffee ground and stuff. Bro, this is not gonna work because I'm not about to. I gotta delete more stuff. Don't mind me. Now that you have a clean cup, throw it away. Pollution. Okay, so I made coffee, and like, coffee that I make is literally so nasty. Okay. Don't know what that was, but okay. Sugar. I don't care about measurements. Okay. So, once I have this coffee, I'm gonna be feeling good. Also, my medicine wore off, so like, you know, ADHD vibes. Oh, bro, I didn't even filter it good. Hold on. Don't know what the frick happened to it, but oh, okay, so here's this one, and we'll take one of these cups. Let me get a bigger cup. I swear, bro. Yeah, bro. So it appears to me that the strainer that I use to filter the warm goodness that we call coffee doesn't filter good. So I need to take one of these, and this is gonna take forever. So I'm gonna pause it here. Here's you a little tip for when it stops filtering. If you take a penny, make sure it's clean. Just drop it in there. Hopefully it sinks to the bottom. But since it didn't, you have to push it down. Now you have coffee on your fingers. You know, it's kind of slow. You hear that? Exactly. Bro, it's so slow. I hate when the filter thing doesn't work. I had one and it was like so old that it was like broken, but it still filtered way better than this one. And this one's new. Straight from the Dollar Tree. So, do we have any better straighteners? Strainers, right? Strainers? Is that what it's called? That sounds weird. But I guess that is what it's called. Ooh, an egg. Egg. Apple. Apple peeler. Where is something I can use? It's not even going anymore. Ooh, that sucks for me then. Because that all just poured everywhere. Okay, you know what? Don't even care. You know what? I'm gonna do this. Because I don't care if it's freaking pulpy coffee. Because, you know, some people like pulp in their coffee. Okay. I'm about to chug this. Okay, it's empty now. I had to use my teeth to filter out the grounds, bro. What do we want to do? Because I only have like 2 minutes left to film. Because, you know, you have a phone for more than 2 years. You get a lot of videos and pictures on it. that you don't really need. You could probably delete them, you know. Look at my dang house. Okay. Oh, I'm bored. I don't have shoes on. No feet pics, guys. No one's gonna watch this, but I'm gonna drink more of this. Get ready. Okay. Okay, guys. Don't really know what to do now. You know, I might start making more videos, but I don't have any space on my phone. Might just delete all the pictures and stuff on my phone if I have to. But I don't really feel like doing that. Ooh, side pods. Whoa, we got the Fortnite ones. I don't even like Fortnite. But anyways, what to do? Oh, it's Christmas, guys. That's why we got our tree up. Also, let's see what's in the baby crib. Ew, presents.